Journal Club. Let me introduce you to two things. One is how this Journal Club will be conducted, and the second is what is the purpose of this Journal Club. The purpose of this Journal Club is twofold. One is to introduce the concept of critical thinking among residents. Uh, Introduce is a wrong word. I am sure all of you already understand and practice critical thinking while reading an article. The better word would be to reinforce the concept of critical thinking. A lot of research is published every week, every day, every month, and we are exposed to a lot of ideas, opinions in the form of articles. We need to understand that all this literature that is poured to us needs to be analyzed critically before being accepted into practice. And there are many factors that need to be analyzed. The same happens when you review an article for publication in a journal. Every journal, every reputable journal receives numerous contributions, and from that only the most authentic need to be published. And you, as reviewers, have the task to analyze these manuscripts and decide what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses of each publication. There are many factors that come in when you do this analysis, and the purpose of this journal club is also to introduce this analytical thinking among you and prepare you as reviewers of journal articles. Of course, this journal club will also help in keeping all of us, including me and all the faculty members that will join us and the residents, keep us abreast of what is new and what is happening in plastic surgery world. So these are the two main benefits that we foresee from this journal club. Now, how it will be conducted? As I mentioned previously, the journal club will be held monthly, last Tuesday of a month. Any person or department can volunteer to host a particular journal club meeting. Anyone is welcome to participate. We welcome all participations from individuals and from departments. It can be either people who volunteer to present a journal article, or a department as a whole can volunteer to host a particular session. How it will be conducted on a day will be that uh, anyone who is hosting the journal club will tell us beforehand which articles he would like to present, so that the audience can read those articles before joining the journal club. And it's a routine. If you have had journal clubs in your department, you would already know that you are supposed to come prepared having read those articles. There will be a very brief presentation from the presenter who has read the article in detail and give you a gist of what has been written, including three main headings, which are the strengths of the article, the weaknesses of the article, and what future directions of research are opened by that article. I have made a template of how to prepare this short, brief presentation, and I will share with you if you want to present a journal club. After that, there will be a discussion, an open discussion among all the participants of the meeting. Anybody is welcome to speak up and give their opinion of what that article holds. That opinion can be in the form of what are the strengths, what are the weaknesses, whether they are already practicing this in their department, they would like to practice this, they would like some more research on this. Any sort of opinion is most welcome. So this is how it will be conducted. You can send me a message directly if you want to be a part of this journal club, or you can type in the Telegram group leave a message there that you want to be a part of the journal club.